tomatoes. I think there'll be peppers. What else is over here? Let's take a look. So if you've got kids like me always looking for sweets and desserts, and if you want to steer clear from the packaged crap, apples are always aplenty. A quick apple crisp. Half a cup of flour, half a cup of oats, or in this case, Georgian Bay granola, a little bit of cinnamon. So now we're adding our cold butter. You can use room temp and melt it, or you can be professional and you can do cold butter and just grate it in, like we're doing pastry. Doesn't that look pretty? Moving on to the filling. These are beautiful tart Macintosh apples. You can use a Granny Smith as well. I like to keep the skins on. If you want to peel them, go ahead. But I am going to keep it super rustic. And you can slice them. You can cube them. I think by leaving the skins on, it looks legit and real. I'm going to keep it kind of big, more like a tart. And we'll layer all that in. We're going to toss it with a little bit of lemon juice, sugar, cinnamon. Put our topping on. Whenever you're cutting something round, always go to a flat edge. Makes your life less wobbly. That should be enough. You can cut them smaller if you want, but I like this idea. And we're going to stir it in with a tiny bit of sugar just to cut the acid a little bit, not too much. A couple of apples, about a tablespoon of sugar, or you can back that off if you'd like. And we'll add a little bit of cinnamon. Suppose you could put nutmeg too if you wanted it to be a little bit earthier. I prefer not. Lemon juice if you'd like. Stir that all in together. A little bit of salt, always in baking to pull out the flavor. It's not a weird combo at all. In we go, 30 minutes.
Hi, this is Trish Magwood. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for recipe ideas, food inspiration, and simple home tips. Also go to Trish Magwood on Instagram for food and lifestyle ideas and inspiration, or check out trishmagwood.ca.